Hi, everybody.
A little louder.
Hi, everybody. I'm a mom at home in the winter. My kids cannot go outside because it's freezing, so today I'm going to show you what to do inside with them, and we're going to call it Impossible Mission. Children in the winter
stir crazy.
are stir crazy. We're going to solve that problem. You will need the following things. You need coffee. Okay, first of all, hold on. You've probably been up since 5 a.m., moms. It's probably your 5th cup of coffee. And you're going to need tape, streamers, and that's it. Okay, let's get started, Tyson, Mrs. Tyson. You don't have to use streamers. You could use string. You could use, what else could you use? What else could you use, Tyson?
You can use yarn.
Yarn.
That's like
it's kind of like string. See, that's not how I would do it.
You asked for my help, okay? Go ahead and tape. Go ahead and tape. All the way across. Not my finger.
It's just not how I would do it.
Because what is that? It has a little cutter on it. What are you doing?
No, you're not listening to me. The dispenser broke. Look.
You broke the dispenser?
Look, that's what I'm feeling. I'm telling you, I don't like the way you're doing it.
I'm doing it the dad way, okay?
That's right. Did you hear that? This is what I'm trying to tell you. Listen to me. Stop talking. No, you stop it. I just want everybody to understand. What I'm trying to say is you start in the back and you work your way to the front like a web, but somehow Tyson thinks it's a good idea for us to just be in the web. One wrong move and this whole thing goes down. So once you've done the obstacle course, you find a willing participant. Okay, look, there he is. All right, now, Tyson, you're the child. Tyson, go. Oh, boy. I see trouble. Oh, man. You got it, buddy. That's good. It's like American Ninja. Look at him. There you go. There you go. All right, nice job. Tyson, you tell me you don't think this is a good idea. This is a good idea.
Don't bring it up. You broke one. See, you disqualified. You disqualified. You just broke the streamer. Okay?
How did you do that?
Exactly.
I
did it.
Peed my pants.
Look.
Look.
Another one.